Hey everyone, today let us talk about Puneet Superstar S journey post his exit from OTT hosted by Salman Khan. It is no secret that he faced setbacks and some incidents like a recent disagreement with Thara Bhai Joginder have surfaced, but here is the thing, everyone faces hurdles. Now Puneet, if you re-listening, here is a guide to turn things around. First, introspection, understand the root of the issues. Next, prioritize personal growth over conflicts, find common ground, seek mentorship, learn from constructive criticism, and foster a positive environment. Remember, success is about evolving, not just winning battles. So Puneet, here is to a journey of self-improvement and a future filled with positive changes.
आया मैं तुमको बताऊं
ए बुड्ढे, सुना नहीं क्या? पंजा लड़ाएगा?
बाप को भेज, तेरे बस की बात नहीं।